Happy moving day. It is like 7 a.m. I've been up for a while. Unfortunately, I could not sleep last night, but it is what it is. I just took a shower, feeling ready for the day. We have like lots of odds and ends to do, finishing stuff up, getting the kitchen stuff packed, and we're gonna be starting the move at 8 a.m. So let's go. I'm a little embarrassed to show this, but just like, look at the dust that was underneath my bed. Oh my god. Good morning, everyone. This is my new roommate, Sarah.
New introduction.
Woo!
You know when like it's like do a new character alert and you do a spin and maybe give us
oh like the like little like me spin like.
Yeah, that was so good. We're having a bagel breakfast before the big move. It's like 8 a.m. right now. We're gonna leave ASAP, but.
Rocky.
Hey everyone, I'm with Talia.
Hello.
Back at my house. I'm out of breath because we actually just finished moving all of Max Gaspar, Triumph, and Matthias' stuff into their new apartment. I didn't film it because I forgot my camera here, but it's fine. We also, me and Talia single-handedly just moved a whole couch, and so now we're just moving my entire bedroom down the stairs. I forgot to seal the bottoms of my boxes.
Hey.
Matthias, do you want to grab this?
Hey, yeah, Talia, yeah.
Starting to get really empty, starting to get really emotional. Last batch.
This is all of Alena's things.
Wow.
As you can see, there are many plants. I'm taking full credit for this amazing Jenga performance.
Hey, welcome back to the vlog. The blog. It's been a long morning.
Video blog.
Welcome back to the video blog. You know, just me and the boys. Sarah Parker, it's her name. SJP, if you will. This is
Telling the internet my full name.
T-Hobes. Oh, hell yeah. Look at that. She's so happy. Little flats, big.
We are truly in the heat of it. I can't do an empty apartment tour because the apartment was like, it's just, that just wasn't in the cards. This couch, the landlord wants us to sell. It's like really old and beat up and like she doesn't want it anymore. We're trying to clear space in our living room. There's also some random things like a futon that we did not know would be here. So there's a few like fun mystery surprise things. So we're trying to make the our furniture work with the bonus furniture. That's what I'm doing right now. Just moving some couch cushions, trying to make room. Hello vlog. We were doing really well until the couch didn't fit up the stairs. So we're not doing great. Now we're waiting to see if Max and Gaspar bring us an Allen key.
We maxed out our good luck.
Yeah, we were
in the day.
going so well. Everything was getting off without a hitch until right now. So now we're just chilling in the sun for a little bit.
Tell us what you think in the comments. Did you get a couch up the stairs?
Oh, the vibes are good now. Now the Gaspar saved her. Chaos. The vibes have changed.
Hey! Gaspar got the couch up!
Yeah, they have.
I'm so happy. I can't stop smiling. We're moving Sarah's apartment and she lives downtown, so this should be interesting. We'll see how it goes. And the moving van again, this time for Sarah. We're all feeling pretty tired. It's that time of the day. It's like 2. We still have a lot to do. It's hard with like lots of different houses, lots of different people. Everyone lives in different places and is going to different places. We're trying our best. We're trying to get it all done. I still have to go to Clifton Edge to get a dresser at some point today. Hey, finished packing all of Sarah's stuff in the van, and now we're heading to Coteneige to get a dresser for me, which is like a bit of a random excursion, but hopefully it shouldn't take too long. Then we'll be back to the apartment to move all of the stuff into the space, and we're finished. We just got the dresser in, everything is packed, and we are heading to the apartment.
Well, it's been a long day. We're pretty much done.
All we have to do is go back to our old house, clean up, get our frozen food.
Yeah. I've gotten all my groceries. I thought I was done with that house forever.
No, we have to clean up. And then I also need to
Oh, Lord have mercy.
return the
on my
moving
soul.
van, which I'm gonna do right now. Hopefully.
Lord have mercy on our souls.
Matthias, you're fine.
This is the face of exhaustion.
I cannot believe that we're actually relatively moved in. We ordered pizza. This is the big reveal.
We don't have to eat it on the floor.
This looks so good, actually.
Beautiful.
Okay, I'm so excited.
No.
Hello,
It's
vlog.
the mother trucking via LOG.
Oh my god. We are at the boys' house because my room looked like a tornado ripped through it, and I was not finding a way to sleep there tonight. So we're at the boys' house. I chilled out, I put on some pajamas. It's getting pretty late. We're gonna move Matthias's mattress into his room right now. Very exciting stuff. I'll give you a mini tour of your guys' house. Is that okay?
Oh yeah, of course.
So here we have our front entrance when you walk in. Look at this massive living space, obviously decorated to perfection. The kitchen is over here. Down in this hallway, we have Triumph's room on the left.
Absolutely pristine.
And Gaspar's room on the right. Hanging up some lights?
Yeah.
Love it. Excellent, beautiful. And then down the hall over here, we have Matthias's room on the right. Work in progress. And Max's room on the left. Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog.
I've taken things into my own hands.
Emily's back.
You can't get rid of me, bitch.
We've started to do my bedroom. Main issue is that this house has 4 mattresses.
Here's what I've decided.
And only
we're
2
doing.
people.
Here's what we've decided, not my home or my bedroom. We've moved the mattresses. I think that we should move this whole table over here. It's out of the way. You can build the bed. You move this where the bed was. You can finally start unpacking. Easy, done. A couple things away. It's fine. Let's go.
Well, when's your birthday?
February.
Oh, really? When too?
Really, what day?
10.
11.
No way!
Oh my gosh, these are so cute. If you do not want them, I'm taking them.
We're making such good progress. Look at this. I have floor space. We're assembling my dresser. We're making piles. It's all thanks to
Once
Emily.
again, sometimes you just need someone to tell you what to do and make it happen. No words, just creative.
Hey everyone, trying to get a little bit of stuff done in the kitchen. I'm gonna work on the pantry right now. We actually have a lot more space than it might seem. We have all of these shelves back here. I realized I should probably get the kitchen started so I have the ability to cook meals for myself so I don't keep ordering food and spending lots of money when I don't need to. Have you started a spice cabinet yet?
No, I really don't have very many spices.
What?
I just don't.
What do you mean?
I just don't.
What do you season your food with?
You overestimate how much I cook.
Oh my god. Today is the second day of the move. It's also Matthias's birthday today, so we have a few special things planned for him. We're still trying to deal with extra furniture. That's been the biggest inconvenience because it's really hard to set up your own stuff around other furniture that you weren't anticipating. So right now I have the dining room table as like my makeshift desk because I don't have a desk, so I'm just gonna use the dining room table for right now, which is funny, but whatever. This part of my room kind of looks good. We have the bed, a mini little night table with my lamp, and my dresser. This part of my room still needs considerable work, but I'm actually making a lot of progress and it's feeling a bit more manageable and a bit more livable. I'm happy with the progress that I made today, even though it's not that significant.
Yeah, you can
How's the birthday going?
Very, very, very.
Here's our decor.
It's also my mom's birthday. Happy birthday, Mom.
Day 4. I look really flushed. I don't know why that is. Yeah, I'm pretty tired. Just got home. I still just have so much to do, and I'm missing ballet today because I don't know where my dance stuff is, and I'm feeling behind. I feel like I am not caught up on my life, and I need to get back on track. I'm gonna do my clothes right now. Just try and go through, get them all done. One suitcase, one duffel bag down, doing this little suitcase, and then I still have this whole duffel bag to go, and I'm running out of space. This thing? Right now we are working on rejuvenating all the plants. They've been in boxes for several days, so they're desperately in need of like some light and some water. I think they're all gonna pull through. We had no casualties. Just trying to emulate like a calm rainforest. Hello, I just got back from Dollarama. I figured I'd do a little haul because I got a bunch of house stuff. I picked up a broom. I also got this really, really nice bamboo cutting board for $3. I also got a bunch of light bulbs because some of the lights in our apartment are really cool toned and blue. And I also got some anti-slip carpet tape because I bought a rug. Then I just picked up some oregano and Himalayan pink sea salt because I didn't have these two. And then lastly, I just got one of these Tupperwares that like, it's a dish that you can microwave and it's like a nice bowl, but it also has like a Tupperware lid. Oh, and then technically last thing is a recycling bin. Trying to tackle the massive box of toiletries that exploded. Here is what we're doing right now. I have some things here, some things here. It's not really organized. I'm trying to like get it all in here and then figure out exactly where I want to put it because I'm not super sure yet. I should have my blue on cubes, yeah.
Really?
Okay, it's one of the days. I've just been slowly moving in over the last few days as I'm like working and dancing and things like that, so it hasn't been a very continuous process. Although it may not look like it, I am officially moved in. I'm gonna give you guys a little overview of where my apartment is at right now. It's nowhere near done. Stuff is where it's gonna be for the next little bit until I can get some furniture moved out, things like that. This has been quite the week. It's been fun taking you along with me, showing you my whole process. Let's see the apartment. So we're just gonna ignore this couch and furniture situation in the living room because that will be different. And the moving box is right here, but the kitchen is done and it's so freaking cute. Give you a little overview. We have cups and pans, some flowers on the table. I went grocery shopping. The pantry is stocked, dishes are put away, and it's officially moved in. Very excited about that. And my room is not in the best shape, but I am moved in. My stuff is out. This corner is a bit of a mess, but that's how it's gonna be until I get a desk and get that dining room table moved. That's it. I'm really happy with the place. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!